So I'm stuck here, maybe overnight. Luckily, he has food, shelter. I'm all good. He packed for 2 of us, so we're in good shape. We'll get out. So here we are at the beginning of the trail, all the way. This is great, and it's a good time of the year to do it. It closes in the heat, so you can't do it when it's hot out, and you have to come here in the early spring or fall. But if you can get this hiking and get it in. Okay, let's see if we can make it down this water without dying. You're gonna see me as I go. Okay, we've made it down through that part, and we're gonna continue walking until we get to the river. So we're here, the mighty Colorado. Although that doesn't look too Colorado. I mean, too mighty. Looks pretty calm really right now, but look at it. And it's cold. So we're still trying to walk out of this canyon, and we think we know where we're going. Okay, sun is set. As you can see, finally making our way out of this freaking canyon.
You've waited long enough.